Hello friends, this is Deblina once again from Stringent Dance Academy, and today I have brought you a lesson based on creating tehais. Okay, this is the second lesson on tehai. In the first lesson I have shown you how to create a tehai. We did it on trital. Now today I am here to tell you the types of trital, the types of tehai. Mainly there are two types of tehai. One is a damdar tehai and the other one is a bedamdar tehai. Now damdar means a tehai with gap and bedamdar means a tehai without gap. This word dam refers to gap in the language of dance. Okay. So in the first lesson I have created a tehai tigtha diga diga thei on the tal trital. That tehai itself was a damdar tehai. If you refer back to that video you will know how we did it. Tigtha diga diga thei, tigtha diga diga thei, tigtha diga diga thei. So tehai, as I told you, is three identical phrases that you need to fit within a tal from sum to sum. It should start from sum and it should end in a sum when you are creating it. Okay, at the very basic level. Now tigtha diga diga thei, 5 matra. Then there was a gap. Again tigtha diga diga thei, 11 matra. In the 12th matra there was a gap. Again tigtha diga diga thei. So 16 plus 1, 17 matra. In the entire cycle of 17 matra you have said tigtha diga diga thei, this bowl, this language thrice, and you have added two gaps equally between the three phrases. The first phrase a gap, second phrase a gap, and then the third phrase. So that's how we have created our first tehai, and since we did it with a gap it will be called a damdar tehai. Now let's come to bedamdar tehai. A bedamdar tehai is nothing but a tehai without a gap. Okay, creating a bedamdar tehai is not very difficult, but again you need to understand the mathematics behind it. Say I am taking one language and using it for damdar tehai first once again to let your concept be more clear. Say tete kata gadi ghena dha, 5 letter. Okay, tete kata gadi ghena dha, gap, tete kata gadi ghena dha, gap, tete kata gadi ghena dha. Damdar tehai. Now when I am doing bedamdar tehai, I am increasing this language a bit. Okay, say I repeat every word twice. So what does it become then? Tete tete, kata kata, gadi gadi, ghina ghina, dha, tet dha. Tete tete, kata kata, gadi gadi, ghina ghina, dha, tet dha. Tete tete, kata kata, gadi gadi, ghina ghina, dha, tet dha. What did I do here? Nothing but this is a bedamdar tehai because I said the entire tehai in 33 matras. Okay, trital is a tal of 16 matra. Now when you double this, 16 into 2, how much that is? 32, right? 16 into 2, 32 plus 1, 17. So you have done the entire tal trital twice and then added the matra of sum to it. So 16 plus 16, 32 plus 1, 33, and I have chosen a language which was of 11 matra. See, tete tete, kata kata, gadi gadi, ghina ghina, dha tet dha. So 11 matra. If I say this phrase equally thrice, then what should be the count? It becomes 33, right? 11 plus 11 plus 11, 33. And trital when done twice, and then if I add the sum to it, then also it becomes 33, right? So but instead of saying the entire thing, instead of just saying one word in one count and you're using the number 33 to complete my cycle, I can also do the same thing in 17 matra as well. How is it possible? Pretty simple. Just double your count. Say two words in one count. Instead of saying tete tete kata kata, just say tete tete kata kata, and you will see that without putting any gap you can very easily do this bedamdar tehai. Let's try. Tete tete kata kata, gadi gadi, ghina ghina, dha tet dha. Tete tete kata kata, gadi gadi, ghina ghina, dha tet dha. Tete tete kata kata, gadi gadi, ghina ghina, dha tet dha. So that's how, just by using two words in one count, we could have easily finished this bedamdar tehai in 17 matra. And if I want to use one word in one count, I can. It doesn't matter, I can say trital for 2 avartans, I can say it twice and then add the number 1 as sum and say the entire thing in 33 matra. That also makes equally it is equally good a bedamdar tehai. Okay, so that's how you create a damdar tehai with a gap and a bedamdar tehai without a gap. Keep trying this in all the tals which you have learned so far. It will be a very, very interesting thing to be done. Thank you so much for watching.